In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom SKU on eBay in 2025, ensuring your inventory management is efficient and organized. First, the journey begins with logging into your eBay account. This may seem like an obvious step, but make sure you're using your seller account credentials for access to all your listings and selling tools. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My eBay section, hover over this area and then click on Selling. It's like stepping into your online store's back office where all the magic happens. After accessing the selling page, look for the Listings tab. Here, you have the option to either create a new listing or edit one of your existing listings. If you're starting fresh, click Create Listing, but if you're updating an existing product, find the listing you want to modify. Either way, you'll be directed to a detailed page for managing your product listing. Now, let's move to the title section, which is one of the most crucial areas because it's what catches your buyer's eye first. In the top right corner of this section, you will notice a little clickable link that says See Title Option. This is a gateway to additional customization settings for your product title. Once you click See Title Option, a wonderful feature known as the Custom Label SKU comes into play. You'll want to toggle this feature to On. This action will introduce a new field labeled Custom Label SKU right below your product title. This field is incredibly useful for differentiating your products and organizing them within your inventory system. After enabling this feature, it's time to enter your custom SKU. This could be any identifier you use internally for tracking, like t-shirt black M for a medium black t-shirt, or AMZA123, perhaps if this product is also available on Amazon under a specific code, or even bin07 if it's located in a particular bin in your warehouse. The choice and format of your SKU are entirely up to you, but it should be meaningful to help you identify and manage the product easily. Finally, after entering your custom SKU, complete any remaining details of your listing, ensuring that all information is filled out accurately. Once satisfied with everything, go ahead and publish your listing. This last step confirms your changes and ensures your product is available for buyers to view with the SKU tagged for your reference, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a custom SKU to your eBay listing in 2025, optimizing your inventory tracking and management. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made your selling process on eBay just a bit more streamlined.